Freezing weather is worse than a snowstorm in Alaska. Shivering at 15,000 feet, knowing the avalanche danger, I will not get any closer to heaven today. My heroic mom died 21 days ago. I lie in the drifts, creating a snow angel. Without warning, Mom's face appears in the foggy sunlight. I sit up quickly with icicle tears on my frozen cheeks. All I want is to share a cup of tea with my mom. You know, we've lost thousands of seniors during COVID. Though previously the family hero, seniors who have recovered are still isolated and depressed. Adults whose parents are seniors asked Naomi Carmona, how can I get support from my parents? Seniors feel stuck and uncomfortable, afraid to go out their front door. My dad lost his wife of 65 years 4 years ago. At 88 years old, he's afraid of possibly infecting another senior or even dying alone. Who listens to seniors' lonely cries? My name is Naomi Carmona Morshead, creator of Positive Living Connection. I am an adventure mountain climber and a 66-year-old senior. This is what I know to be true. Our process is called TEA. Teach, encourage, and address senior issues helps restore heroic characteristics like faith and courage. And now more than ever, seniors are isolated without physical connection with family and friends. They deserve a positive online community for self-expression. Wisdom Connection opens conversations. It opens doors. At first, Senior Judy could only click a link in her email. She would say, Naomi Carmona, what do I do next? I can't find that chat. We teach Judy. We encourage Judy. We address issues using positive living quotes, consistent connections, sharing ideas to blast through loneliness, creative mental writing exercises, crying, and often laughing out loud. Best of all, our seniors see smiling faces in the Wisdom Connection membership. As I sit in the snowfield with frozen tears, I hear many voices. I see faces of all ages speaking like a heavenly choir saying, share now. You're probably thinking, share now? How can I help seniors? My name is Naomi Carmona, and I encourage you to be the hero that listens and comforts. Be a hero that blasts loneliness. Be a hero that impacts seniors' lives. Be a Wisdom Connection hero.